Alright, y'all, we are staying at a super budget hotel, Posada Del Mar, $62 a night. This is our view, however, way through there is the ocean, right under those trees. Alright, let's see the room. You do have to use like a screwdriver looking key to open the door. It's kind of funny. Alright. You have Tony to greet you. You have a chair. It does not have a mini fridge, even though it's in the pictures, but you know. No fridge. You have a king-size bed that's hard as a rock. Do not do anything on the top covers. It's like sandpaper. Is it not? Tony? It's rough. Alright. And then you have, I don't know, I haven't even looked here, some weird-ass closet. Okay, place to put your luggage. You have a really weird curtain that is a faux window. Strange. You have a very tiny bathroom. If you're a big person, you might need to sit sideways. Pictures in the description on the toilet. Very tiny shower. The shower head sprays everywhere. There may or may not be a roach that runs across the countertop while you're going to the bathroom. Just FYI. Your front door, we don't even want to talk about where that goes to. However, location, 5 out of 5. Perfect location. That's why we picked this place. Bed, maybe a 1? What do you think?
That is probably 1.5, 2 max.
1.5, 2 max. What about water pressure?
Water pressure is, it'll peel your skin off.
Perfect. You get a couple channels. 0 for no fridge, even though it's, you know, in the pictures. And view is definitely like a 1. May or may not have black mold. Overall, maybe a 2? 2 out of 5.
2.
Also, if you move the curtains, shit tons of dust falls on you. However, again, it's a budget hotel. Budget. Super cheap. Location's great. And you can just make your own drinks if you bring your own cooler. Because there's no fridge.
Backpack cooler for the win.
Overall, wouldn't stay here again. Isn't horrible if you don't mind roaches and a hard bed. See you later, guys.